present to you my project DART or DART, which stands for Decentralized Art. This is my final project for the Ethereum India Fellowship. So the idea behind DART is considering the craze regarding NFTs and artwork ownership. So I decided to build this decentralized GitHub platform, like a version control platform for artwork, where many artists can come and collaborate and build an image by collage, and then the final art piece can be sold off as an NFT. So this requires a creator who creates the canvas, and the creator can specify his friends or other wallet addresses that will like to collaborate with him on the art piece. So right now I'm signed in as one of my accounts, and I will switch between multiple accounts to show multiple say addresses working together. So I will go to set up canvas now. So when I set up a canvas, it asks me for the wallet addresses of my friends. So I put in addresses and the start and the end coordinates out of the 2000 cross 1000 net canvas that we have to edit the image. So the first one I assign, say 00 to 200 200. So this is the top left corner versus the bottom right corner. And for the second account, I put in another wallet address, and I assign this, say, coordinates from 400 400 to 500 500. Then I submit. So the basic unit of DART or DART is a ceramic document which maintains the information about this particular team, starting from its owner to its collaborators. And this is the hash of the ceramic document, which is to be kept secure by the owner and the collaborators who are working on this canvas. And the owner shares this particular hash, the ceramic hash, with the friends. Now I will log into another of the accounts as a collaborator. So now I'm logged in as a collaborator. I put in the ceramic hash which the owner has given me. And now I will be able to go to the canvas and edit the document. So now I have this particular portion of the canvas, which is a very small portion of the canvas that has been allocated to me. Now suppose I draw a smiley face. I can choose between the colors available here. This is the ceramic hash of my main document, and this image will be stored on IPFS. So I click on create merge request, which is essentially like submitting a pull request with this artwork for getting merged into the main canvas. And once this commit is created, so the request is successfully submitted here, and I have to wait for the owner's approval. Now I log into the main app as the owner this time, and now I will approve of the changes, very similar to how you merge a pull request in GitHub. So again, I put in the ceramic hash that I had of the document, and it will show me the commits that have been made, which are yet to be merged. So now I can go to the image and I can see what change has been made. So this, I see this is the change that it will look like after getting merged, and I approve of this change, which means I merged this commit into my main document. Now once this is done, I can check whether it has been successfully merged by clicking on view image. And then I go to this image and see it has been successfully merged. So now once this is done, I will show how another collaborator can start editing independently his portion of the canvas, and it will still show up. So now the second author, also the second owner collaborator, also has the hash from the owner. We're back as the second collaborator on the particular canvas that we were editing before. And now suppose I draw something on the canvas that has been given to me using I logged in as this using the ceramic hash that was given to me by the creator of the document. And yeah, so Suppose I put in all of this. This is a violet sort of a picture. I put in that, and then I create merge request, which is again like submitting a pull request after doing this commits. So all of these images are hosted on IPFS, and the collaged image is stored as a collaged image hash on IPFS is stored as another commit, which will be merged once the owner approves. Now I will log in as the owner. So it's only the owner who has the power to approve the changes. Even the other collaborators cannot really change or merge the main canvas without the creator or the owner's approval. Now I'll go to image, and I can see that there's this purple block which has been added to my main document, and this was already done by the other collaborator. Now if I like this change to my document, I approve it, and it has been successfully merged. Now if I go and check against this particular ceramic hash, and I try to fetch the image that I get with it, I see that it has been successfully merged. So that's about how the collaboration happens. Now what we will do is we will try to say mint this NFT. Now what I have made use of here is a multi-sig wallet, which I have written from scratch in Solidity. And so this multi-sig wallet, it kind of requires so it's a multi-sig wallet constructed using the owner as well as all the collaborators who are working on this particular ceramic document. So we create a multi-sig wallet, and this is a transaction that requires gas. So the wallet is essentially a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. Right now I'm on the Goerli testnet. So once this contract is successfully created, once it's successfully deployed, then we will get the multi-sig wallet address. And as you can see, it has been confirmed. The multi-sig wallet address will show up here. So this is the joint wallet which is owned by all the contributors to this particular art piece. Now when we click on mint, before minting this NFT, I require the signature of the all the contributors to this particular art piece. So right now I am the owner. I sign it. This is again a gas requiring operation, and this will take some time to go through. So what I will do is I will sign in as my second account as one of the collaborators on the account. I will again go to this, and as one of the collaborators, I will again sign and mint. So this is also another gas requiring operation. Once all the signatures are collected, then I will be able to deploy my art piece as an NFT. And so right now, this we issue this token called Dart token, which is deployed on the Goerli testnet. So yes, and it is an ERC 721 token. So if we go to Goerli scan and I search for this particular token, Dart token, we can see these are the pending transactions that we just created to it. And here we have all of these unique token IDs, which are all unique NFTs. These are the previous art pieces that were created by various teams. And each of these becomes an ERC 721 token uniquely owned by that particular team.
Last but not the least, we have the source code for the project, which is public on GitHub under the organization Decentralized Art. So we have 3 repositories into which the source code is divided, of which the contracts repository contains the Solidity smart contracts, The Stitch Me repository contains the Python stitching logic, and the UI repository contains the React front-end source code along with a very detailed README. The README has a step-by-step walkthrough demo with complete with GIFs and images to guide users interested in the application. Finally, coming to the tech stack, I used React Material UI for the front end. I hosted the images on IPFS. Ceramic is used for maintaining the version control for the documents owned by each team. We also used MetaMask for authenticating the users and for all sorts of transactions that our app performs. And finally, the Solidity smart contracts are deployed on the Matic Mumbai network as well as on the GoReady testnet. There are also instructions to install and run the application locally, and I look forward to open source contributions to the project. Thank you.